tradition is worth a pound of cure. A healthy outside starts from inside. Diseases came impartially to old and young alike. Diseases can affect anyone. Salutation to the members of jury. I am Shreya Raj and my friends Purvi and Sinchana from 9C Vijay Vittala Vidyashala, Mysore, presenting you the topic Impassioned Health Robot. We would like to present our topic in two phases. To create or spread awareness on health issues using the line following robot. Most of the people are unaware of certain rare diseases like fibrodysplasia ossificans progressiva, FOP disease and Duchenne muscular dystrophy. We are presenting the two diseases through our website. Now my friend Purvi will execute the working of the model. Let us listen to its tips on health as it moves around.
Thank you, Shreya. Let me continue. Technology is like soaring exercise of human imagination. The voice control robot works through smartphone via Bluetooth connection. It performs operation based on the information given by the emergency alert. The working of the robot starts with powering up the DC motor. The DC motor will wait for a new command when the controller is low. The controller is connected with the help of Bluetooth. The voice control robot can also be used in various other sectors like banking for assistance. Now my friend Sinchana will continue the explanation on rare diseases.
Thank you, Purvi. Now I will continue from where our robot has stopped. Nutrients and diet build our body, but certain genetic disorders are beyond our control. Let me present you the first rare disease called fibrodysplasia ossificans progressiva. Is a rare genetic tissue disorder caused by the abnormalities present in the bones, where the bones are not normally present in the body, such as tendons, ligaments, and skeletal muscles. The first picture is the skeletal body of an 8-year-old affected by the FOP disease. The second picture is the skeletal body affected by the FOP disease of a 15-year-old person. The third picture is the skeletal body of a 35-year-old person which has imprisoned the movement of that person. The first picture is the skeletal body of a normal person. The second picture is the skeletal body of a person affected by the FOP disease. As we can see, the bones degenerate, and which mainly causes the imprisonment of movement of that person. Now let us understand more through a video.
This extraskeletal bone is derived from stem cells that are recruited at the affected tissue by injury and inflammation. At this time, there are no approved treatments for FOP. However, researchers are attempting to develop a potential FOP treatment.
DMD is one of the most severe forms of muscular dystrophies, which is caused by the lack of protein cells known as dystrophin. First picture is the body of a person affected by the DMD disease of a 2-year-old. So the second picture is the body of an 8-year-old person affected by the DMD disease. The last picture is the body of a 15-year-old affected by the DMD disease, which mainly occurs in males. As we can see, the movement is imprisoned. You all have heard about Stephen Hawking, who was an English theoretical physicist and an author and director at the Research Center of the University of Cambridge. He was set on an early onset by the Duchenne muscular dystrophy, which lasted over decades and which was the main cause of his last breath. Thank you. Now my friend Shreya will conclude our topic.
The innovation behind this topic is the use of artificial intelligence to create awareness. We have done a research work on two rare diseases. Now let us see how our robot works. This is the line following robot which follows the line and according to our voice commands. The robot says,
"Wear your mask."
The robot says, "Wear your mask."
Maintain social distancing.
The robot is saying to maintain social distancing.
Sanitize yourself.
The robot is saying to sanitize yourself. With the help of PDF videos and websites, we would like to conclude that we are trying to spread awareness using the artificial intelligence, and we have done a research work on two rare diseases, and the information is in our website. Thank you.